Good morning, my dear brothers and sisters. And let us welcome our pilgrim school from Liceo de Pagsanhan in Laguna. Welcome po kayo lahat dito sa Manila Cathedral, our Mother Church. Palakpakan po natin sila. My dear brothers and sisters, today, as we celebrate the memorial of Saint Catherine of Alexandria, a young woman who loved God so much, and she remained faithful even in the great danger. And as we near the end of liturgical year, my dear brothers and sisters, our readings today reminds us of important truths. Only God's kingdom lasts forever. Only God's kingdom lasts forever. In our first reading of today, Daniel tells about the king's dream, a huge statue made of gold, silver, bronze, iron, and clay. It looked strong and impressive, but it was fragile. Then a small stone, not made by human hands, struck it and broke it into pieces. And that stone grew into a great mountain. Daniel, my dear brothers and sisters, explains that this shows us how human powers, our wealth, our intelligence, our jobs, even our governments now, our plans, come and go. Pero ang Diyos ay hindi nagbabago. His kingdom is steady even when everything else feels shaky. That's why in our gospel today, Jesus says something similar. People admired the beauty of temple, but he warns a time will come when all the stones will fall. He is not trying to scare us. He is not trying to frighten us. Hindi po tayo tinatakot ng Diyos. He wants us to remember, ipinapaalala niya sa atin, kahit kaano kaganda, kahit gaano kalakas na mayroon ka sa mundong ito, lahat ito'y pansamantala. What does it mean for all of us, my dear brothers and sisters? Everything that we have is only temporary. Lahat mayroon tayo, even our own life is only temporary. Jesus also talks about troubles, wars, digmaan, awayan, famines, or plagues, and even earthquakes. Kung narinig po natin yan ngayon, parang balita sa TV or sa social media, naturally, our emotion, our reaction, all of us feel worried. Lahat tayo mag-aalala. But the Lord telling us today, do not be terrified. He is telling us, yes, life can be uncertain, pero I am with you. Alam po natin, ang buhay natin ay walang kasiguraduhan, kumbaga. Pero may isang sigurado, nasa atin ang Diyos. That's why He's telling us today, don't be terrified, don't be afraid. At dinagdagan niya pa, these difficult times will be your chance to be a witness. Kaya mga kapatid, when life is hard, when money is tight, family problems come, or the future feels uncertain, these are the moments are not meaningless. These are the chances to show our genuine faith. Not by giving long speeches, but small acts of love, like being honest every day, helping our brothers and sisters, praying even when tired, staying hopeful, being patient, and forgiving instead holding our anger in our hearts. For us Filipinos, my dear brothers and sisters, we see this every day. Even during typhoons, floods, or calamities that we have, people help each other. Families share what little they have. Young people like you, somehow you volunteer. Strangers rescue strangers. These are the signs, my dear brothers and sisters, God's kingdom quietly grows in our midst. Hindi minsan nahahalata, pero buhay ang Diyos sa atin. Buhay na gumagalaw ang presensya ng Diyos sa buhay natin. As we celebrate today, St. Catherine of Alexandria also reminds us she faced danger and pressure to deny her faith, but she chose to remain faithful to God. Her courage and love for God shows us that even hard times, our small acts of faith matter and contribute to God's kingdom. My dear brothers and sisters, today, simple lang po ang mensahe ng Diyos para sa atin na binibigay sa ating lahat. Don't cling to what doesn't last. Hold on to God who never changes. Let our daily challenges become our opportunities to show our faith, to show our courage, and trust that God's kingdom, like the stone in Daniel's vision, will continue to grow in our life, in our family, in our community, as well as in our nation as well. And this is our prayer for today. Amen.